A legend, known as Mighty Max, Trident, or Strata, but there's only one original, the Mitsubishi L200. Think back to the early 90s. What did people expect from a truck? Just work, carry a load, and don't break. But Mitsubishi had a different vision. They said, this shouldn't just be for work. People should live with this. And this, second generation L200, was born. It was the perfect bridge between a hard-working machine and a comfortable partner. But its real secret? It was simple. No complex electronics. Just pure, mechanical honesty. And its heart, the legendary 4D56 engine. Unstoppable, unshakable, always ready. It's the kind of soul that's easy to maintain, never complains, and stays more patient than its owner. Decades have passed, and technology has changed, but people still search for this specific model, because true strength is timeless. Because some vehicles aren't just machines, they become a legacy, they become a story. This rock-solid chassis, the true backbone of a 1998 legend. Built on pure durability, it's still standing strong after 28 years. To improve traction and prevent bouncing, these weights provide essential downforce on the rear axle. It ensures a planted and stable ride, even when the bed is empty. Time changed everything, but it could never change him. Everything starts with this sound. Come and see what 28 years of loyalty looks like. In every corner of the world, one rule stays true. The simple survive. This is the peak of simplicity. The Mitsubishi 4D56. The reason this engine is so legendary is that it has no hidden flaws. No complex computers, no fragile sensors, just a pure, mechanical discipline, programmed to work in any condition. 28 years. On the toughest roads, it has never seen a wrench. This engine has a durability forged in battle. It was built to never break. A design so simple that anyone with basic tools can bring it back to life. 102 horsepower. Each one of them is a sworn oath to never leave you behind. 0 errors. 28 years of loyalty. It is more than a truck. It is a legend that the world respects. The unstoppable L200. Everything is ready. Let's start. Ahead of its time. 276,000 kilometers later, and it's still standing tall. Built with a vision where every switch and every lever has a purpose. Pure engineering, no unnecessary details. Simple, robust, and as solid as the first day. This is how a legend survives. Engineers knew that users might push the limits. That's why, even though it's rated for 1 ton, they built it with a 2-ton tolerance. It's designed to survive human error and heavy abuse. This is why it's still standing after 276,000 kilometers. Under the hood, this 2.5-liter engine delivers 102 horsepower. When empty, it's surprisingly efficient, sipping just 6 to 7 liters on the highway. But when fully loaded, it demands more power, reaching 12 to 13 liters. In the city, it averages around 9 to 10. It's a machine that knows exactly how to balance economy and raw power.